Hi there, my name is Harry and welcome to English in a Minute, and we bring this to you by English lesson via Skype.com. Today we're going to talk about the adjective old and its comparative and superlative uses. Old, older, oldest are the three forms: my old cat, my older dog, the oldest animal. When we're talking about things or people, we can use old, older, oldest. For example, the old man, the older woman, the oldest person I know. So it doesn't matter whether it is an animal or a person. Old, older, oldest. The other format is old, elder, eldest, but we can only use elder and eldest when we're referring to immediate family. For example, my elder brother is a doctor. My eldest sister is a nurse. So here we're talking about immediate family, brothers and sisters, so we can use old, elder and eldest. Of course we can use old, older and oldest, but when talking about immediate family, only use elder and eldest. Okay, so another rule that I'd just like to bring to your attention is that when we're using elder, we can only use it when it's followed by a noun. My elder sister, my eldest brother. But if I say my brother is older than me, that is correct, but I can't say my brother is elder than me, because in this situation, elder is not followed immediately by a noun. Okay, so they're the rules concerning that adjective old, older, oldest, or old, elder and eldest. So remember to subscribe to our channel, and as always join us on www.englishlessonviaskype.com. And a really important announcement is that we've just launched a grammar course and a grammar lesson, and I have a very special offer for you at $9.99, and you can get the link here below.